Hi, friend. Welcome back to Empowerher After Divorce, where we walk alongside you as you redefine and rediscover life after divorce. Have you ever heard the phrase self love and thought to yourself, of course I love myself, only to find yourself engaging in negative self talk and not giving yourself credit for any accomplishments? If you've ever felt that everyone else's needs seem to matter more than your own, today, we're going to address this important topic. As women, we're often raised to prioritize the needs of others, our children, our partner, our friends. We sometimes feel that taking time for ourselves makes us selfish. However, could it possibly be by prioritizing our needs, we're actually benefiting everyone around us? By caring for ourselves, we set a powerful example of self love for our loved ones. Modeling this behavior teaches them how to love themselves, as action speaks much louder than words. We embrace self love each day. We demonstrate to our children, our partner, our friends, how they can also nurture themselves. Let's explore how we can show ourselves love in practical, everyday ways, 1 minute at a time. Today we're exploring the 5 love languages, introduced by Gary Chapman, can serve as a profound framework for self love. We'll also touch on how the subconscious mind influences our ability to love ourselves. The first of the love languages was words of affirmation. Words have power. When directed towards ourselves, they can reshape our inner dialogue. Our subconscious mind absorbs these affirmations, which can influence our self perception and our behavior. Practicing daily affirmations like I am enough and I trust myself, or I embrace my inner uniqueness, is about creating a nurturing mental environment where positivity thrives. One we're looking at is acts of service. Acts of service towards oneself is about taking actions to support your well being. These are gestures your subconscious mind will recognize as acts of care and worthiness. Whether it's preparing a nutritious meal or organizing your living space or scheduling downtime, acts of service reinforce your value and prioritize your needs. Next is look at receiving gifts. Gifts to yourself don't need to be extravagant. They're more of a token of self appreciation. Each gift acts as a tangible reminder of your self worth. Your subconscious mind equates this act as receiving love. It boosts your inner value and delight. This could be as simple as taking a calming bath or treating yourself to your favorite dessert. Now let's look at quality time. Spending time with yourself, nurturing self connection and introspection provides your mind with clarity and peace it needs. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and focusing solely on your presence allows your subconscious to soak in the feelings of love and appreciation. Think of ways you can spend quality time with yourself this week. Lastly, let's look at physical touch. Physical touch, often overlooked in self care, can profoundly affect you. A simple self massage or practicing yoga sends signals to your subconscious mind that you honor and love your body. It is an affirmation of self care that your mind and body both understand and cherish. By consistently applying the 5 love languages to ourselves, we can cultivate a deeper and more compassionate relationship with yourself. Understanding and leveraging your subconscious mind's influence allows these practices to lead to genuine self love. and transformation. Remember, loving yourself is a foundation for living a fulfilling, inspiring life. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me, and I hope you come back next week as I share something to encourage you a little bit each week. Coach Debbie Forth Wigley, bye for now.